What is castor oil and its magic? Welcome back to Healthline Champions, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of castor oil. What's the deal with this magical elixir? First off, castor oil is derived from the seeds of the castor oil plant. Don't worry, no castors were harmed in the making of this oil. It's an age-old remedy that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Move over modern medicine. People often use it for its potential benefits for hair growth, skin conditions, and even constipation. Talk about versatility. But fair warning, folks, that smell is not for the faint-hearted. It's like walking into your grandma's attic. And let's not forget that castor oil is a thick, sticky substance that might require a little elbow grease to work with. Good luck washing it out of your hair. If you're brave enough to give it a go, just remember to do a patch test first. No one wants an unexpected allergic reaction. Now, you might be wondering, is this the secret to Rapunzel-like locks? Well, maybe, but don't cancel your hair appointment just yet. There's limited scientific research on the effectiveness of castor oil for hair growth, so don't get your hopes up too high. In the world of beauty trends, castor oil is like that quirky friend who swears by weird remedies. Interesting, but not always reliable. So, if you're thinking of giving castor oil a shot, just remember to proceed with caution and maybe keep a nose plug handy. And there you have it, folks. The scoop on castor oil, a mysterious potion that continues to intrigue and baffle us all. Thanks for tuning in to Healthline Champions. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel, and stay healthy, folks.